Asa yung squirrel?
Oh, wala. Speaking to the peacock. Aba, ayaw nito ng corn. Gusto, ano?
Ha?
Gusto nila yung corn.
Camilo, hingi ka ng food kay daddy. Pakainin mo.
No.
Na? Scared daw si Camille. No.
Come on, Kayla, let's go.
Oo.
We got too many animals here.
Oo.
Oh, there's the deer.
Come on, Camille.
Hey, naman, video yung deer, oh.
Ay, doon na nga.
How to see the deer here.
Babe, di ba nakakain yan? Ay, babe, kainin niya si Camille. Na?
Bait ng deer, ano? Bait eh. Pang deer hunting yan.
Ah, ganon.
Put in the mouth, put in the mouth.
Di sila lang Di sila nangangagat.
I like put in his mouth. Put in his mouth like that. Go. Put in his mouth.
Bakit? Di ba kakagatin niya yung kamay niya?
Hindi nangangagat yan.
Ay, Kyla, oh.
Hey, Camille. Give
Camille.
Give it to the deer.
Ah.
That's a
Gusto pa
doe.
niya? Gutom pa?
Doe is a deer. It's a female deer.
Can I have some more? No, three.
Doe, a deer, a female deer. Oh, yung peacock, pakainin natin yung peacock. Kawawa naman eh. Peacock!
So I'm looking at this doe right now, and it's not buying a fence.
Here.
It's like on
Oh,
the
si Camille, bigyan mo.
Ay! You don't like that. Ah, give it to that squirrel.
Ay, gusto pa niya.
You hungry?
Ay, squirrel. Ay, squirrel.
Oh well, it's just up here at the front, like where the doe is.
Oh man, it's so cool.
So,
Lamig!
so what do we do?
Oh.
Lamig.
Well, do you want to get some people and just like make a human wall and just walk them back up?
Oh, nagsasabong yung pato at saka yung manok.
Pakainin mo na daw ng crackers, oh. Oh, Camille, ito. Ito, pakainin mo.
Ito mo yung miniature na manok ko.
Oh, pakainin mo, bilis mo. Si Camille, papakainin niya. Hindi ka na natatakot, ha, Camille, ha? Oh.
Nako, pang tinapay naman, babe. Labas mo yung tinapay.
Ayun, oh. Bakit?
Ayun ang deer.
Ayun, oh. Ayun, pakainin
Ayun,
mo,
that's the
ayun. Kunin mo. Diba ba? Uy, baka may nagbabantay. Ito.
Palamig.
Nagbabantay. May nagbabantay, babe. May nagbabantay sa atin. Ayan, oh.
Oh, come on, let's go. Let's walk. Camille, Kayla. You done with the deer?